Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploit. This is Dr. Ayoshola Ogundele. AI-driven space traffic management, from a reactive human-in-the-loop coordination to a proactive, automated, and scalable data ecosystem. AI-driven space traffic management, the use of artificial intelligence, machine learning, predictive analytics, and automated decision-making to monitor, predict, and manage the movement of satellites and space debris in orbit, helps to automate collision risk assessments, automated decision-making, and generates avoidance maneuvers, replacing slow, manual calculations. As commercial mega-constellations expand astronomically, traditional manual space surveillance cannot manage the thousands of daily close approach alerts. AI solves this bottleneck by transforming reactive operations into a predictive automated ecosystem. The role of AI-driven space traffic management to coordinate orbital tracks, map millions of fragments of space debris, and autonomously prevent high-speed collisions in Earth's increasingly crowded orbits cannot be overemphasized. Through the fusion of radio networks data, optical sensors, and telemetry, AI rapidly maps space debris, predicts multi-day collision trajectories, and automates maneuver decisions in order to prevent orbital collisions. The focus points are as follows. Capabilities of AI-driven space traffic management, industry innovations and platforms, AI versus traditional space traffic management, and industry challenges of AI-driven space traffic management. Capabilities of AI-driven space traffic management are as follows. AI-driven space traffic management utilizes artificial intelligence and machine learning in order to track orbital debris, predict satellite trajectories, and automate collision avoidance. With thousands of active satellites and millions of debris fragments in low Earth orbit, AI automates processing of complex conjunction data messages in order to prevent cascading collisions. As orbital highways become increasingly congested, manual conjunction assessments are no longer viable. Modern AI-driven space traffic management frameworks handle this operational surge through several specialized capabilities. The picture here illustrates Trans-Astral Strapback, a new hunter for space debris. Four core capabilities of AI-driven space traffic management are noise filtering, risk calculation, dynamic variable tracking, and environmental forecasting. Traditional tracking networks send thousands of automated conjunction data messages to satellite operators daily. AI filters out thousands of false alarms, which is caused by sensor noise. For risk calculation, machine learning models continuously compute real-time probabilities of collisions by combining variable datasets instantly. The picture here illustrates space debris in Earth orbit. Orbit shift unpredictably because of environmental stressors in orbital space. Dynamic variable tracking, deep learning neural networks process historical tracking data to accurately predict how a satellite's path will change over time. The picture here illustrates growing threat of space debris. Intelligence maneuver planning. When a real threat is confirmed, AI generates specific optimized bypass actions. For fuel efficiency, algorithms compute precise amount of thrust which is needed to clear debris. Cascading risk checks. The system tests the planned bypass path against a global database to ensure avoidance maneuver does not accidentally create a new collision. Artist's illustration of space junk is shown in this picture. Local threat assessment. Spacecraft loaded with optimized AI chips evaluate incoming orbital threats on their own, and they carry out immediate avoidance. Illustration of objects in orbit is shown in this picture. Industry innovations and platforms are as follows: autonomous tracking. Companies such as Privateer use AI and data fusion from diverse monitoring networks in order to track over 35,000 objects. Automated conjunction screening. Platforms developed by Neurospace provide real-time conjunction analysis, screening for risk and delivering actionable maneuver. The picture here illustrates space junk orbiting Earth. Other industry innovation and platform are predictive safety software and global benchmarking. Artist illustration of EMSL Astronautics' proposed Neuropolis space junk cleanup system is shown in this picture. AI versus traditional space traffic management. For the response speed, traditional space traffic management performs screening and path verification, which take hours. But for the AI-driven, resource and risk assessment delivered in under an hour. For human intervention, traditional is very high. Operators must manually cross-reference data. And AI-driven, low. Costs require human decision-making by roughly two-thirds. Core architectural differences: reactive versus proactive threat management. Traditional, ground sensors detect a close approach and issue a generic warning. Human operators must scramble to calculate if the threat is valid, often resulting in alert fatigue from false alarms. AI-driven neural networks continuously simulate the orbital environment. They predict structural risk trends, this before a collision warning. SSE debit mission is shown in this picture. Other architectural differences are centralized versus decentralized execution. Satellites are entirely dependent on ground control commands for traditional. But for AI-driven, by utilizing edge computing, artificial intelligence runs directly on the satellite's onboard processors. ESA's exploration of synergies between on-orbit servicing and debris removal is shown in this picture. Siloed data versus dynamic sensor fusion. Traditional operators struggle to reconcile conflicting data coming from different data networks. But for AI, advanced data fusion algorithms ingest massive fragmented data from multiple global providers simultaneously. JAXA passive orbital debris removal demo is shown in this picture. Industry challenges of AI-driven space traffic management. Technical data barriers, incomplete tracking datasets, Earth-based radars and optical sensors cannot reliably track debris smaller than 5 centimeters. High sensor uncertainty, merging telemetry from radar, optical, and onboard sensor introduces significant measurement errors. Astroscale space debris removal is shown in this picture. Other industry challenges are technical data barriers such as lack of data interoperability and space weather unpredictability. Spent rocket bodies and other space debris are shown in this picture. Algorithmic and trust limitations, such as the black box problem. Machine learning models lack explainability, making satellite operators hesitant to trust automated maneuver suggestions without a clear audit trail. Edge computing power constraints and automated coordination failure. E-debit mission idea is shown in this picture. Geopolitical and industry structure. Absence of rules of the road. There are no legally binding global standards establishing which satellite owes the right of way during a conjunction event. At national security silos, governments are highly reluctant to share precise satellite tracking data. A space debris slingshot is shown in this picture. Monopolistic market trajectories and uneven regulatory enforcement are other problems. Clean Space One, a technology demonstration spacecraft, is shown in this picture. For more information, contact Astronautics for exploit. You've been listening to AI-driven space traffic management, from a reactive and manual human process to a proactive, automated, and scalable data ecosystem by Dr. Ayanshola Ogundele, with the focus point: capabilities of AI-driven Space traffic management, industry innovations and platforms, AI versus traditional space traffic management, and industry challenges of AI-driven space traffic management. Thank you.